In the midst of Bukidnon mountains, on the blue of Bukidnon skies, there you lay like a shining beacon, hope to minds that are born to rise. Here, this land of resplendent gold trees, lay a history of great lives. They have soared as the free-born eagles beyond the reach of Kitanglan heights. Bukidnon State University, you're a steadfast keeper of my memories. Bukidnon State University, you're a bearer of great possibilities. You stand tall like the lofty pine trees in the heart of Manay-Malay. You're a cradle of Bukidnon children, teach them truth and the love